This is a tiny part of accounting fundamentals. Our full courses are available on Udemy. So in this session, we'll be taking a situation to understand this particular concept or principle. This is a business owner, Peter. Peter purchased goods worth $500. Now this is something he will record in his books as purchases. Then he sold some goods on credit to Ron. So he will record that Ron is his debtor and he has to receive $500 from him. But one of the days he was just thinking about how he started his business and how after a few months his business has improved. And he was feeling quite proud and happy. So, would he also record his happiness in his accounting books? No. Happiness is something that cannot be valued in terms of money. So he will not record happiness. This is nothing but the money measurement concept of accounting, which states that only events that can be valued in terms of money can be recorded in accounting books. So death of a partner, happiness, sorrow, love, all these cannot be recorded in accounting books. Hope you enjoyed this session. If you would like to explore or purchase full course on fundamentals, the links are given in the description. Please don't forget to like, comment, share this video, and for more updates, subscribe to the channel.